Hello students, myself Kiran Jadhav. Today we have start the new chapter number 5, expansion formula of standard 8. In this chapter, we discuss about some formulae and some expansion of given terms. Last year you have seen this expansion a plus b bracket square. A is the first term and B is the second term and bracket square. Now the expansion of this A plus B bracket square is A square plus 2AB plus B square. Means A is the first term and B is the second term. You remember like that, first term square plus 2 into first term into second term plus B square. Doesn't it? Now second term a minus b bracket square, same expansion here, only here minus sign, then change your sign in middle terms, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here remember plus b square because square is always positive, doesn't it? Now only middle term is negative when minus sign is coming here. A minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. You remember again like that, first term square minus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. Now third expansion a plus b and a minus b. Now here a plus b bracket square means a plus b into a plus b. Same here, a minus b means a minus b into a minus b 2 times. But be carefully see here, a plus b and a minus b. Terms are same, ab, but signs are different. One is plus and second is minus. Now here middle term is cancel, doesn't it? And we get only first term square minus second term square, means a plus b and a minus b when terms are same and only sign are opposite, or one sign is plus and second sign is minus, then middle term is cancelled. We get only a square minus b square expansion, doesn't it? Now today we have seen page number 23, some example we have given here. Look here, I just recall x plus 2y bracket square. We turn this example a plus b bracket square. Now what is our formula or what is our expansion a plus b bracket square? First term square, x, first term is x square is x square is x square plus middle term is 2 into ab, means 2 into x into 2y, means 2 2s are 4xy, plus b square means 4y square. Now what is the middle term? 4xy, doesn't it? Now write here 4xy. Now second, here subtraction a minus b bracket square. Now what is the expansion of a minus b bracket square? A square. Now what is the term a? 2a, 2x square is 4x square. Now what is the middle term? 2 into a into b, means 2 into 2x into 5y. 2 5s are 10, 10 2s are 20xy. Here 20xy plus b square, b is a 5y square. What is 5 square is 25 and y square is y square, like that. Here middle term is 2 2s are 4xy, like that. Now third, 101 bracket square is equal to, now 101 near about 100, that's why we write here a plus b means 100 plus 1. A is the first term and b is the second term. Now we write here a square means 100 square, first term is 100. Now middle term what is? 2 into a into b. A is 100 and b is into 1 plus 1 square. Now what is the square of 100? We write here 100 zeros are 100, 100 zeros are 100, 100 ones are 100, 10,000 plus 200 plus 1. Now our answer becomes 10,000 201. Now next 98 square. Again same. 98 is nearer to 100. Now we write 100 minus 2 bracket square. Doesn't it? Now a minus b bracket square. What is formula a minus b bracket square? A square. A means 100. 100 square is 10,000. Middle term is our 2 into 100 into 2. Means what is 400 minus 400. And next is plus b square. B means 2. 2 square means 2 2s are 4. A square minus 2ab plus b square. In this way we write here what is the subtraction 10,000 minus 400 9,000. I write here 9,604 plus 4 like that. Now next example 5m plus 3n 5m minus 3n means a plus b a minus b. We have seen carefully here first term is a and second term is b. Now ab same terms are here, only middle sign are opposite, or one is plus and one is minus. Then our formula is a plus b a minus b is a square minus b square. Now what is a? 5m. 5m square is 25m square. And second term is 3n. What is the 3n square? 9n square. In this way we solve this example. Let's recall. This is your last year formula or expansion a plus b bracket square a minus b bracket square a plus b and a minus b. Now today we have seen same expansion here slightly the second term are changed. Here first and second term are same, doesn't it? But next expression is expansion of x plus a x plus b. Now what is here? First term is x and second term is a and b, means first term are same and second term are different. Now let's start how we can solve this expansion. X into x plus b plus a into x plus b. This bracket multiplied by this bracket. We multiplied first term into second bracket plus second term into second bracket. X into x, x square, plus x into b, xb plus ax plus ab. Doesn't it? Now next x square as it is plus. Here xb and ax. Here is x and here is also, then we common here in outside the bracket. Now here remainder b and here remaining is a, and this a plus b as it is. Therefore x square we write here, same here. We know that addition is a commutative property, means what? Suppose a plus b is equal to b plus a. What is the meaning of this? Suppose we get here 2 plus 3 and here we write here 3 plus 2. Now what is the answer here? 5, and it is also 5. This is called commutative property, doesn't it? That's why we write here. And multiplication is also commutative property. We write here a into b means what? B into a. 2 3s are 6 and 3 2s are also 6. 6 is equal to 6. Doesn't it? Addition and multiplication is a commutative property, means what? If we change the terms, now no change in their answers. Now we write this expansion as like b plus a means what? A plus b. Why? I give here some expansion or some formula of commutative properties. Why we write? By using commutative property into x plus a into b. Now this is the expansion of x plus a and x plus b. How learn it or how remember it? X plus a and x plus b. Here first term is same and second term is different. Then we write square of the first term square of the first term plus addition of second term into first term plus product of second term doesn't it? Again I talk to you, what is our expansion? X plus a, x plus b. X plus a, x plus b is equal to first term square. First term is x, that's why we write first term square means x square plus addition of second term. What is our second term? A and b. Then addition means what? A plus b into first term. First term is a x and product of second term. This is very important. We have learned this expansion or formulae x plus a, x plus b is equal to first term square plus addition of second term into first term plus product of second term, means x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now we solve some example depend on this expansion. We have given practice set 5.1. Some example we have given here, page number 24. First example, expand, given a plus 2, a minus 1. Now, how we solve this example? Now, look here, be carefully. We have seen that first term is same, means a, and second terms are different, means we converted this given example in this expansion x plus a, x plus b, doesn't it? This example expressed in this form, first terms are same and second terms are different. Now what is the expansion of x plus a and x plus b? First term square plus addition of second term into first term plus product of second term, doesn't it? Product of second terms. Now what is our first term? A. Now write a square plus what is our second terms? A is 2 and b is minus 1. We write here square bracket into first term. What is our first term? A. Write here a plus a means just minute. Okay. A means x means first term, a is our first term plus a means 2 and b means minus 1. Product of second term. First term plus of second term into first term plus second term's multiplication or product of second term. Therefore, a square plus 2 plus and plus minus minus 1 into a plus 2 ones are 2 plus minus product is minus. Therefore, a square plus a. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 into a, 1a, we write just a and plus minus minus 2. In this way, we have solved this example a plus 2 and a minus 1. In this way, we have solved this example by using this formula. Expansion, we convert this expansion in x plus a, x plus b in this rule. Now, second example we have given. What is second example? M minus 4, m plus 6. Doesn't it? See, look carefully. We keep another page. Second example. M minus 4 and m plus 6. Now, what we have see first? First terms are same, m and second terms are different. Means this is the expansion of x plus a and x plus b. We write this expansion again and again. Automatically we have learned this formula, doesn't it? Now we write x plus a and x plus b. First we write first term square plus sum of second terms into first term plus product of second term. In this way we write and say again and again. Automatically we have learned this formula. The given example expressed in the given form. Now what is first term? M. Write m square plus. What is second term? A and B. A is -4 and B is 6 into first term. What is first term? M plus A is -4 and B is 6. First we write in this way. Now m square as it is plus 6 minus 4 2 into m plus 6 4 are 24 plus minus product is minus. Now m square plus 2m minus 24 like that. We express the given example in this expansion x plus a and x plus b. Now third example p plus 8 and p minus 3. Same, first term are same, pp, and second term are different. When we use this expansion x plus a and x plus b, first terms are same and second terms are different. Then we use this expansion x plus a and x plus b. I talk again and again. Why? Because you learn it and remember also. Now square of the first term plus addition of second term, x a and b are the second term, into product into first term plus product of second terms. This is our expansion. Now in this expansion we convert these letters. X means first term is p square plus a means 8, b means -3. X means first term is p plus a means 8, b means -3. Very easy. You just first you have learned or very carefully learn this formula and put the given values. P square plus 8 minus 3 5p plus 8 3s are 24. Therefore p square plus 5p plus minus 24. 8 3s are 24. In this way, now fourth example we have given 13 plus x and 13 minus x. Now you have already learned expansion previous, means last year 7th standard. I have also talked to you this formula at starting. This formula a plus b bracket square a minus b bracket square a plus b a minus b, and this is our fourth formula, expansion x plus a and x plus. We given this expansion express into formula. What is our formula? A plus b a minus b, a plus b a minus b. We can't forget this expansion, a plus b a minus b. What is the expansion a plus b and a minus b? A square minus b square. Doesn't it? हा फायदा आहे. Why? आपण विसर. See this 13 plus x 13 minus x. We have given this example. We converted in this expansion a plus b a minus b. We have already learned 7th standard. Just some time before we have also learned this formula, a plus b a minus b means a square minus b square, doesn't it? My a plus b a minus b. A means first term. What is our first term? 13 square. And what is the second term? X square. What is the square of 13? 169 minus x square. Like way, doesn't it? Now fifth one example we have given 3x plus 4y, 3x plus 5y. Look here, 3x means x and here is x. Now what is second term? Here 4y and here 5y, means x plus a and x plus b. First term are same, second terms are different. Then write the formula. Square of first term plus product addition of second term into first term plus product of second term. Now what is the first term? X, 3x square, plus what is second term? 4y plus 5y into first term. What is first term? 3x plus a into b. A is 4y and b is 5y. Now 3x square is 9x square plus 4 plus 5 9y. 9 into 3, 9 3 are 27 xy प्लस इथे प्रॉडक्ट आहे a इंटू बी. 4 5 20y स्क्वेअर. अगदी तुम्ही डायरेक्ट इथे बघून पण करू शकतात बघा. फर्स्ट टर्म स्क्वेअर 9 स्क्वेअर, ॲडिशन ऑफ दिस 4 प्लस 5 9. 9 इंटू फर्स्ट टर्म 3, 9 3 27 xy प्लस प्रॉडक्ट ऑफ सेकंड टर्म 4 into 5 20 y into y square. Like that we solve this example. Now next example we have given 9x sixth one. Sixth one example 9x minus 5t and 9x plus 3t. This is homework. You solve this example and send me this answer. We have solved here seventh one, m plus 2 by 3, m minus 7 by 3. Now x plus a, x plus b. Because our first term is same, second term are different, that's why we write the expansion x square plus a plus b into first term plus product of second term. Now what is the first term? m square plus second term 2 by 3 minus 7 by 3 into first term is m plus a is 2 by 3 plus second term is minus 7 by 3. Sorry, here product. Now m square plus base are same, then write here 3 5 7 minus 2 5, give the big number sign into m plus product this 7 to 2 is 14 and 3 3 is 9. 3 3 is 9 and product here is minus. Now m square plus minus minus 5 by 3 m plus minus minus 14 by 9. Doesn't it? This is the seventh one. Now eighth one example, we have given x plus 1 by x and x minus 1 by x. Again we convert here a plus b and a minus b. We write directly a square minus b square. Now a means x square and b means 1 upon x bracket square. We directly write here 1 upon x square minus 1 upon x square. 1 square is 1 and x square is x square. Now last ninth one, 1 plus 1 by y plus 4 and 1 by y minus 9. Now x plus a, x plus b. Write again same expansion, x square plus sum of second term into first term plus product of second term. Now what is first term? 1 upon y bracket square plus 4 minus 9 into 1 by y first term plus product of second term means 4 into minus 9. First term square plus sum of second term into first term plus product of second term. 1 square is 1 y square plus 9 minus 4 minus 5 into 1 by y plus 9 4s or 4 9s 36 here minus. Therefore 1 upon y square plus minus minus 5 by y plus minus minus 36. In this way today we have seen one more one important formulae or expansion x plus a and x plus b. See carefully, I again talk to you. This is the expansion x plus a and x plus b. Now first term are same and second term are different, then we get the expansion. We have remember like that x square plus a plus b into x plus ab, or square of first term, this is first term xx, square of first term plus addition of second term into first term plus product of second term ab, like that. First three expansion we have already learned. Again, if you have forgot that expansion, you again learn all these three, and one fourth one expansion also learn. In this way, near about 10 to 12 expansion we have learned in this year. Next, a plus b bracket cube, a minus b bracket cube. Also our terms also increase, a plus b plus c, doesn't it? That's why we go step by step. First we have learned a plus b bracket square, second a minus b bracket square, third a plus b, a minus b, and today x plus a and x plus b. Now you have solved एक्झरसाइज 5.1. भेटूया पुढच्या पिरियडला. तोपर्यंत नमस्कार.